Hello. Good morning. You look a little lost. Can I help you?
Good morning. Thank you for asking. Yes, I am visiting America for the first time.
That's wonderful. Welcome to America. Where are you from?
I am from Egypt. I came here 3 days ago for my vacation.
Nice. How do you like America so far?
I really like it. The streets are clean, the buildings are beautiful, and the people are friendly.
I'm happy to hear that. Which places have you visited?
I visited a famous museum yesterday. I also walked around downtown and took many pictures.
That sounds like a great day.
Yes, it was amazing. But today, I want to visit another interesting place. Can you suggest a nice tourist spot?
Of course. There is a beautiful riverside park about 15 minutes from here. Many tourists enjoy walking there.
Really? Is it a peaceful place?
Yes, it is very peaceful. There are green trees, flowers, and a lovely walking path.
That sounds perfect. Is there anything special to see there?
Yes, in the evening, you can watch the sunset over the river. It is very beautiful.
Wow, I love watching sunsets.
You can also rent a bicycle and ride around the park.
That sounds fun. Is it expensive?
No, it is quite affordable.
Great. Are there any new tourist attractions nearby?
Yes, a new observation tower opened recently. From the top, you can see the whole city.
Really? That sounds exciting.
Many visitors go there because the view is amazing.
Is it crowded?
Usually, yes, but if you go early in the morning, it is much quieter.
That's a good idea.
There is also a modern art center nearby. It has interesting paintings and digital art.
I enjoy art very much.
Then you should definitely visit it.
How can I get there?
You can take bus number 15 or you can use a taxi.
Which one do you recommend?
If you want to save money, take the bus. If you want comfort, take a taxi.
I think I'll take the bus. I like seeing the city while traveling.
That's a smart choice.
Are there any good restaurants near the park?
Yes, there are many restaurants serving American food, Italian food, and Asian food.
Can I find Egyptian food too?
Yes, there is an Egyptian restaurant just a few blocks away.
That's wonderful. Sometimes I miss the taste of Egyptian food.
I understand. Many international visitors enjoy eating there.
Thank you for all your helpful information.
You're very welcome.
The people here are very kind.
Thank you. We always like helping visitors.
I have one more question.
Sure, please ask.
Is this city safe for tourists?
Yes, it is generally safe. Just keep your phone and bag with you and stay aware of your surroundings.
Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome.
I hope I can explore more places tomorrow.
I'm sure you will have a wonderful time.
It was very nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Thank you again. Have a great day.
You too. Enjoy your trip and make lots of happy memories.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Safe travels.